This is Erin Fisher, Technology Integration Facilitator for the East Bridgewater Public Schools, and this tutorial is a mini instructional session on Quizlet. Quizlet is a great site to study vocabulary. You can, once logged in, create a set by clicking Create. Here you can title your set, enter your terms or vocabulary words. You could also put in questions if you wish, and then the definition or answer to the question in this box. And you can do that by typing. You can also add images. You can search for the images here, and it will pop you up images, or you can upload your own. Once your set is done, you would hit Create, and it would create the set, and it would put it in the section called Your Study Sets. You can see I have 2 here. You also can search for existing sets and edit those sets as your own. This is highly recommended as it reduces some of the work that you will need to do. You would simply hit search, and I encourage you to put in the exact lesson that you would study for. So for instance, if my section was called 8.1 Rocks and Weathering, I would put in the entire title. From there you can see I get the exact section from the science book and title. So I would hit Rocks and Weathering here, and I can see that there are words and definitions that match my science book. If I want to use this set to study as my own, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to hit Copy. Once I copy this set, I can edit. So let's say it doesn't match my information exactly. I can go and I can delete words by Xing out, and I can also add words that may not be included in the set. Once I do this, I need to hit Create, either up at the top or bottom. That is how I get the set into my own study set. So I will hit Create, and now the set is mine, and I can add it to a class folder if I'm part of a class. I can send the link out to friends if I'd like, and I don't think we need to do these, but you have that option. If I go back to my home page by hitting the word Quizlet, now those words that I just saw are now in my study sets. Now I can study them. I have a lot of great options here. You'll notice it will read them aloud to me.
Weathering. Process that breaks down rock and other substances on Earth's surface.
But I can hit flashcards and use these as flashcards. It will read it to me.
Process that breaks down rock and other substances on Earth's surface.
I click here to flip, and that allows me to study. I can also play games with the words with gravity or a matching game. It will set it up for me in a test mode that I can test myself. Since I am a teacher, I could do Quizlet Live, which is similar to Kahoot. And if you do not have a device at home or you prefer paper, you can go here More, and you have print options. In the print options, you can choose table. You can take the images out for better printing. You can choose glossary. A small divided page, so you could fold the page in half to study. A large divided page, which prints it a bit bigger. Or you can even print them as flashcards, and they give you directions here on how that would work. So those are all the great options that you have with Quizlet, and it is a wonderful study tool. It also has an app that you can add to your phone that will connect to the same account, and it allows you to study them on your phone as well. Have fun.